Hey everyone, welcome back to another recipe. This week we're going to make the Manchester tart. It is a delicious healthy base, raspberry jam, vegan custard with some coconut on top. Let's get to the recipe. To start the Manchester tart, we're going to add oat flour, whole wheat flour, and coconut flakes to a food processor and combine just slightly. Add 6 medjool dates, a tablespoon of avocado oil, and 2 flax eggs, which are 2 tablespoons of flaxseed, mixed with about a 1/4 cup of water, letting it set for about 5 minutes. Mix and combine until nicely congealed and it becomes one singular mass. To a greased pie pan, we're going to add that dough and carefully, just with our fingers, spread it out until it's really nice and even and you can crimp the edges. Let it chill in the fridge for a little bit and get some jam. You can choose to make homemade jam, which I will leave in the description for you all, or purchase your own jam and set it aside. For the vegan custard, in a medium saucepan, we're going to add 1 can of full-fat coconut milk, 1.5 cups of soy milk, a 1/4 to 1/2 cup of maple syrup, vanilla extract, and about 1/2 teaspoon of ground turmeric to get that yellow color. On the side, we're going to mix some cornstarch with water for a nice cornstarch slurry, and after, make sure not to spill your custard like I did. We're going to let it simmer for just a little bit. Once it gets nice and thick, we're going to add that cornstarch slurry little by little until it gets nice and thick at the consistency that we want. In a preheated oven, we're going to bake that crust for 25 to 27 minutes at 425 Fahrenheit and until it's really nice and crispy but not overburnt. Once it's cool, we're going to add some jam to the very bottom, a raspberry or whatever jam of preference. We're going to add fresh banana slices right after that. And we're going to add our cooled custard. You want this to set a little bit. It can be slightly warm, but if you have it boiling, it's just going to ruin the whole tart and it won't set at all. Add some fresh coconut flakes and let it set in the fridge for at least 4 hours. I got a little too hasty and decided to cut right in, so it started to drip a little bit, but it really sets really beautifully if you allow it to chill in the fridge for a while. If you guys like this content, be sure to subscribe to the channel for videos every Friday and daily shorts. See you next time!